And welcome back to Crafting with Cos if you're back and you're writing. So I'm going to keep it going with the spring projects, and this project is going to be in collaboration with the DIY Mommy's 2019 Spring DIY and Decor Challenge. And I'm going to be making Dollar Tree succulent planters. Well, one Dollar Tree succulent planter. And I'm going to be basically using some various materials from the Dollar Tree to create a mosaic stone pattern planter to put these Dollar Tree succulents into. So if you want to see how this planter turned out, then we can go over the materials. And let's go ahead and let's get right started.
Crafting with Cos, let's go.
So I started by detaching the strings from the stones from the Dollar Tree. I went outside to spray paint the planter and the stones and crush them up using a technique I used in previous project. And then also after I crushed the pieces of the stone, I decided to start adhering everything using a glue gun onto the sides of the planter. And after I did that, I flipped it over and started working on the other side. And then I used some grout that I used in a previous project to add to the planter. And this actually started to become pretty messy, so I kind of developed a better technique towards the end. And here I am just making sure that all of the cracks are filled in with all of the grout. And after I let the other side dry, then I went ahead and started on the other side of the planter. I wiped up some of the excess grout, and then I smoothed it out with my fingers. And then I decided to grab a toothbrush to clean up some of the stone and to add a little bit of distressing to it as well. And then I lightly sprayed the top of the Dollar Tree foam blocks in black to cover up all of the green. And I added some extra scrap foam pieces in the mix to add some filler. And then I started working to construct the inside of the planter. And then I just start sticking the succulents into the foam blocks. And I added some recycled bags to fill in the gaps. And then I added some of the pebbles to the top of the succulent planter, which was kind of difficult to make all of the rocks kind of stick together.